This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Bobby Sanford. Here is your chance: beautiful custom-built 2-story home in highly sought-after Mallard Bay subdivision. Abberley Lane design floor plan is a southern living idea house built in Savannah, Georgia. Over 5,200 square feet of living space including 6 bedrooms, 5 full baths, a powder room and 2 laundry rooms. As you enter the main level through the foyer you will see a formal dining room and a living room with lake view. Continue entering the house to a 2-story coffered ceiling great room with hardwood floors, gas fireplace, surround sound, open floor plan, and lots of windows for natural light. Large eat-in kitchen with island, 5-burner gas stove top, dual ovens, and lots of cabinets and granite tops. Master suite with gas fireplace and hardwood floors includes ensuite with jetted tub, dual sinks, and walk-in shower. Separate office/bedroom on main level could be separate living area with its own full bath. Upstairs you will find an additional 4 bedrooms each with access to a full bath, a bonus room, a playroom, a library, and lots of storage. Need additional storage? Continue up to the 3rd level floored attic storage. Outside you will find a covered wraparound porch with lake view, covered patio great for entertaining or just relaxing while overlooking an inground saltwater pool with private fenced backyard. Mature landscaping features azaleas, crepe myrtles, dogwoods, maples, and magnolia trees. 3-car garage gives you space for your toys or extra vehicle. Got a boat? Mallard Bay has a private boat launch with dock and a gazebo with picnic area and 3 piers for fishing or boating. Mallard Bay is just a short drive to shopping, restaurants, golf, lake, parks, and much more. 1-year home warranty included. Buyer to verify square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Bobby Sanford at 865-966-1111.